top story coming in from Bengal. Angry Bharatiya Janata Party protesters blocking Congress MP Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury. Hours after, there were allegedly some clashes on the occasion of Ram Navami in Bengal, as was feared as well. Bharatiya Janata Party unit is protesting as Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury visited the Murshidabad hospital. Now, Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury wanted to meet the injured, which he did. But BJP workers and supporters gher out the Neta and started to do sloganeering. Meanwhile, Congress Member of Parliament from Behrampur, Adhir Ranjan, also visited the hospital to check injured but was greeted by these slogans. We're told that there was also a scuffle then later between the Congress and BJP workers in Murshidabad.
ফেরার পথে রাস্তায় খবর পেলাম তাদেরকে হাসপাতালে দেখতে আসছি তারা কেমন আছে না আছে চিকিৎসা তাদের ঠিক মতো হচ্ছে কিনা সেই জানে এবার হাসপাতালে ঢুকতে এই বিজেপির কিছু নেতা হিন্দু কেন মার খাচ্ছে অধীর চৌধুরী জবাব দাও বড় অদ্ভুত কথা আমি মুর্শিদাবাদে বেঁচে থাকতে আমি মুর্শিদাবাদের দাঙ্গা হতে দেব না মুর্শিদাবাদের দাঙ্গা রুখবো তার জন্য যেখানে যেতে হয় সেখানে যাব জবাব যাদের দিতে হবে তাদের কাছে জবাব চাও নাটক করে লাভ নাই আমি আসছি পেশেন্ট দেখতে হাসপাতালের মধ্যে অধীর চৌধুরী গো ব্যাক আর হিন্দু কেন মার খাচ্ছে অধীর চৌধুরী যা জবাব দেবে
Ritik Mondal is joining me for the latest on this. Ritik, good morning. What exactly happened when Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury was visiting the hospital? Did he finally get to meet the injured? What are the situation like in Bengal where those clashes appear to have taken place?
Good morning, Pooja. The incident happened last evening following a Ram Navami procession. Happened in Murshidabad district. We are given to understand from police sources that clashes broke out, and several BJP alleges that there are incidents of stone peltings, and several people suffered injuries. And soon after this incident happened, additional forces were rushed to the spot, and to maintain law and order over the situation. And what we are given to understand is several people have been injured and who have been shifted to Behrampur Hospital, and huge politics has started over the issue. Adhir Ranjan Chowdhury, the MP candidate of Congress Party from Behrampur, he visited the hospital to meet the injured people, and soon after he reached there, BJP supporters raised slogan against him. So it's a huge flashpoint that erupted over the situation. But what we're given to understand that with regards to the last evening incident, additional forces have been summoned over there, and current situation is peaceful. But administration is keeping a close eye over the situation. Yesterday we did see several Ram Navami celebrations were happened across Bengal, but in Murshidabad, sporadic violence have been reported as of now.
So in rest of areas in Bengal, it went as a peaceful, smooth procession, but tensions were reported from Murshidabad specifically. Appreciate you joining us. Ritik Mondal telling us about what happened on the ground. But because of that one incident, showdown has erupted between the BJP and the TMC. Both parties at loggerheads. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Wednesday alleged that there are plans being deliberately hatched to incite violence and riots in the state on the occasion of Ram Navami. Clashes broke out in Murshidabad's Shaktipur area, where a Ram Navami procession was allegedly, we are told, was targeted, and several people have received injuries. Bengal BJP has alleged stones were pelted at the rally and shops were even vandalized. Slamming Mamata Banerjee, the Saffron clan further went on to accuse Bengal Chief Minister of not able to protect the Shobha Yatris.
ये तो होना ही था इन लोगों को मन बढ़ा दिया राज्य की मुख्यमंत्री पिछले 4 दिन से लगातार वो यही बोलते आ रही है कि रामनवमी का दिन एक दंगा का दिन है कुछ लोग दंगा करना चाहते हैं तो आज पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता को सारे राजनीतिक विभाजन के ऊपर उठकर ये सोचना चाहिए फिर से पश्चिम बंगाल एक बंटवारा देखेगा फिर से ममता जी का कारण पश्चिम बंगाल का भीतर एक नया बांग्लादेश पैदा हो जाएगा